Airplane, but it's not a toy. Can you close it back, please? Say hello, babes.
Hello, babe.
We're starting off this morning with a hot bowl of oats porridge because it's raining today and it will be raining all day. How are you guys doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. The kids are here playing as usual. Say morning. Sarah, say morning, Faves. Panigaza. What you doing on the Gaza?
I'm doing a sticker scene.
You're doing a...
It's an activity a bit, but it's an image and there's stickers. There's animal and there's something that you silhouette in French.
Okay.
And we need to put the sticker on this silhouette.
Uh-huh.
And when we finish, it will make a picture.
Awesome. Alright, enjoy.
Animal picture.
Have fun.
Means the animal dreaming.
You're doing it with your sister?
Yes, Sarah doing one and I'm doing the other one.
Good job. And then we have the king of the castle. Say good morning, Shawty. What you? You never good.
Good morning.
Good morning. You're getting the sexy voice from me this morning.
You got that sexy voice?
Raspy, just wake up. Alright, porridge on deck. Let's get Sarah porridge out to get warm. And then the others. A sad day outside. It's just raining non-stop and it will be raining for the rest of today. So I'll be in pajamas and so is the rest of the family all day tonight. All day. Hey yo! Hey yo! Can you reach the ball up there for me?
The 6-year-old are drawing the party.
So everybody's joining the party because Sarah already joined the party long time.
I just said the 6-year-old drawing the party.
And Sarah joined long time with great big arms.
And so we do.
Hmm?
And we do.
Give me the other one. I'm trying to make lunch for babe and I'm making a shrimp salad. Oops, oops. Guys, that's a visual and lunch. So I have shrimp, quinoa, avocado, lettuce, almonds, carrot, and tomato. Lunch is ready. It's the next day, you guys, and the kids are here playing away.
Alors, il devrait devenir moi. Laisse-moi vous réveiller tout de suite.
between yesterday and today, it's just been raining non-stop raining. So we've been just staying inside and getting some stuff done. I'm actually in the kitchen right now making dinner for the family. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm making for Din Din. So here we go with the veggies first. So I have some blanched broccolis here.
Sure.
And then I have some yellow rice here. And in here we have salmon going.
Airplane.
What's that?
Helicopter.
Airplane, but it's not a toy.
Helicopter.
Can you close it back, please? Say hello, babes.
Hello, babe.
What you doing? She had an accident early and hurt over her eye. Come let mama see your eye. Turn around. See your eye right here?
Yes.
And then in the oven, I have some chicken going because I need lunch for the next few days. So I want to make sure that I'm planning to not fail. Because we don't plan to fail. I need to go and peel my cantaloupe and put them in the fridge before they start spoiling right now. So that's what I'm about to do. Et voila, all done. Now we store in the fridge. Fridgy. I rather my cantaloupe chill, a little bit cold, than peel it and eat it right away. It tastes so much better to me when it's chill. If you guys are a fan of cantaloupe, how do you like it? You like your cantaloupe chill, or you don't mind just peel it and eat it right away?
Hello? Hello? Anybody is in the house? Hello? Hi guys.
Alright guys, here goes dinner for the fam bam. Grub time.
Say what? Ooh, girl, you know what's up?
No, I don't. Here to share. Yes. What that big white bump? I've never seen one of these. Look at it. I've never seen one of these on your... Honey, you're pinching me. Oh my. You guys, just look how he's doing me. Oh my, I can feel it. Babe, I have to squeeze the bump out your face. Oh my god.
You did?
Yes, I did. Stop pinching me. You don't normally have bump in your face. Where did that come from?
Is it a love bump or is it a hate bump?
Well, that's not a love bump. Love bump is like the one in my forehead, the one that can't burst.
Why you do that every time?
My throat scratch me.
My foot hurt me. Anyway, guys, hi. This is the end of today's vlog. This is the end of the day. Today was election day in France. So with Tyler, we went to vote. I teach him and I show him how the vote is. So
He was so proud of himself.
Oh,
He said,
yeah.
Mama went to vote today.
We went together to the office. I took the envelope. I showed him that it was the second one, so there's only 2 candidates. So I tell him to take the
So
2
you did the
names.
entire process with you?
Yeah, I show him. I say take the 2 names. He said, but why, Papa, do I have to take the 2 names? I say, so nobody know who you vote for. If you take only one, people will know who you vote for. So you have to take the 2 of them.
So voting in France is not like voting in Jamaica. Voting in Jamaica is when you have the thing to put the X beside the head or the
No.
bell or whichever other sign.
In France, to avoid mistake, misspelling
No
or anything,
writing is happening.
no writing is
It's
allowed.
done.
So they put all of the name in the paper. You just take the paper. So we
put
take
it
2
in the
names and we take the envelope. They give us the envelope. So we go in a place where nobody can see you, and you put the envelope in the name in the envelope, and then after you go out and you put your envelope in the box.
Right.
So Tyler is the one that put the envelope in the box.
Oh, because he cheat.
So I teach him all of the different things. So yeah.
He's so cute.
And he said, I want to vote too. I can't wait to have it. Just wait. So
Baba want to exercise his rights.
he was excited about
so
that. I'm sure that is something that kid, tomorrow when you will be at school, you will say to everybody that
the former president he won again, so
yeah, the same president for the next 5 years.
So 5 more years with the youngin.
Let's see.
The youngest French president in history.
Let's see what's gonna happen for the next 5 years. So
yeah.
Anyway, I hope you all had a good Sunday. The good weather start back. We have a terrible week. The week was
you mean the
raining.
weekend?
The weekend, but the week also was raining. It wasn't hot. It was cloudy,
we couldn't
rainy.
go nowhere this weekend.
So this weekend we couldn't go nowhere. We had an amazing evening yesterday.
I didn't talk about that.
So yeah, we look forward for the week coming. I'll look at the weather forecast. It's all sunny and the temperature will increase back. So yes, summer is definitely ahead of us. So give this video a thumbs up. We're gonna do a lot of activities in the near future. So don't forget to catch up, to keep up, to comment down for today's vlog. And we'll see you guys tomorrow.
See you guys
Tomorrow.
tomorrow.